In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order grocery in Target 2026. Whether you're restocking pantry staples or grabbing something fresh for dinner, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to find exactly what you need and get it into your cart without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Target's website. Once the homepage loads, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll usually see navigation options across the top, a search bar if you already know what you want, and featured deals. For this walkthrough, we'll use the site's built-in navigation so you can easily browse and discover items. Look toward the top of the page and click on Categories. This opens the full catalog of departments. From here, choose Grocery. This is where you'll find all food and beverage options neatly organized, making it easy to shop by aisle, need, or preference without having to guess where items live. Next, pick a grocery category that matches what you're looking for. As an example, let's open bakery and bread. This section collects loaves, buns, tortillas, and other baked goods, so you don't have to sift through unrelated products. If you're aiming for something specific, this is a great way to narrow your search quickly. Within bakery and bread, select a type. Let's choose bread. Now you can browse the available options, scroll at your own pace, and watch for helpful labels like brand, size, and dietary notes. If filters are available, use them to refine by price, flavor, or special attributes such as gluten-free. This keeps you focused on items that match your preferences and budget. When you spot a product you like, click it to open the details page. Here, review the product title, size or weight, ingredients, and nutrition information if shown. Double check you've found the exact item you want. Look for the right flavor, loaf size, and count. Confirm the price and any notes that might affect your choice. This quick review helps prevent ordering the wrong variation. Once you're confident, click Add to Cart. If you're prompted with an additional Add to Cart button or a small confirmation window, click it to finalize adding the item. You may also see an option to adjust quantity. From here, you can choose View Cart and check out to review your selections, or continue shopping to add more groceries. Repeat the same approach for other categories, and you'll build your cart efficiently and accurately every time.